Now let's take a look at a product that I do like on JVZoo.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
So I'm looking at, you see, today's top sellers, and that's a great place to look. You don't want to blindly pick today's bestsellers. For example, something like backlink indexer, because I'm in the SEO industry and I know how much spam and scam there is across all these pretend SEO strategies that always are promised to work but don't work, whatever, right? So I'd be extra skeptical here. And there's also things like this: publish your own monthly newsletter, PLR. This, if it's not clear what this is, it's basically like if you want to have an email newsletter, but you don't want to write it, you can take somebody else's newsletter about some topic and send it to your audience as though you're writing it. So it's kind of like to help you engage your audience. Now, it sounds good, and a lot of people fall for this because, yeah, they don't want to write because writing is boring, and not everybody can write good sales copy or any kind of email copy. But the main problem with this is that this is not going to be your voice. They're not going to know exactly what you need to promote to your customers. So it's kind of a complete miss. So a lot of offers here, even though they're bestsellers, they're sellers to people who are naive. And you want to have a higher moral standard, higher moral ground, not in a pretentious way, but in a human way. Like you want to treat others like you want to be treated yourself. So when I look through this, I actually have liked this product, Video Maker, because guess what? Most businesses today and most marketing today can benefit from video. And a lot of people want to be on video, on YouTube, etc., but they can't make videos very well. They need help. And ultimately, either they spend money hiring people who can create videos or learning some software. So actually, video creation software is not bad at all. So when I click this, I would actually look at the price, and the price, I researched this obviously before I clicked it, before I made this video. It's affordable. You have to scroll. It's very frustrating to scroll, but it's not bad in terms of price. You see, it's only $27. It's not bad to try, especially if you yourself might benefit from videos. You can try it. If you hate it, you can get a refund, but at least you'll know if it works for you. But also take a look. You can make all kinds of videos here that don't require you to be on camera. Now that's winning for a lot of businesses, because a lot of businesses, they don't want to be on camera. A lot of people are shy or private. So these kind of animation videos, they can be effective as well, but don't require you to be on camera. Even if you want to be on camera, a lot of people, they're just not good on camera and they don't have the techniques mastered, like the background, the lighting, the microphone. It's too much for regular people. It's really complex to make good videos. So these kinds of videos are actually fantastic. And I actually would try it myself, would recommend, if not this kind of a software, then a similar kind of a software that accomplishes the same thing. I would recommend it to my clients, because I know for people who don't want to be on camera, who need videos, this is perfect for them. And so a light bulb will go off in my head and I'm like, oh yes, I can sell it to my audience because I have a business audience. This is a business product, perfect. Especially, I know that my audience could benefit from a software like this, so I know they'd buy it. I'd feel proud of it. And this checks out all the boxes, like yes. So I took the title of this, I put it into the search here just to check out more, and I just want to learn more. They have good reviews. You can see who the seller is, premium seller. You can see he's very engaged, has a pretty good rating, top seller, top 10% seller. He's been on the platform for a long time and he's active on it. A ton of endorsements. This is a reputable person. Also, number of sales, it's hard to fake, really great. So we'd want to look more at this product. So under affiliates, when I click here and I go find products, I get this screen and I just pasted the name of this product here. And of course, this product is the only one that comes up, and you want to request approval. But before you do that, you want to check out all the things that are mentioned about it. So it has an okay conversion rate, better through its funnel, sold a lot of copies, average sales price is reasonable, commission 50%, refund rates are reasonable too. So you can click here and just confirm, yeah, $27 sale price. Although we saw a different number on the previous screen, that likely means that he upsells. He doesn't sell just that, but he has some upsells. That would be my guess. And you get 50% commission, which is very reasonable. And of course, you'd have to click all the things like I'm not a robot. And Peter has this thing here. He has special requirements. A new affiliate with under 25 JVZoo sales. Please fill out the application in this form. And please fill out the new affiliate application. Explain to him how you want to promote this software. So you don't have to prove that like you have a website or you have 1 million followers somewhere, but you would say that, hey, here's all my social media. Obviously, you should have an audience that would like to buy this. Just like that's how I was evaluating it. I was asking myself, will my audience buy this? Do they need it? Do I feel good selling it to them? If those are yes, yes, yes for you, you'd explain that here, and you would explain that it's a good fit for your audience. You feel like you'd make sales. If you don't feel like you'd make sales, then there's no reason to apply here. In that case, what you would do is go back to the bestseller list and find which products are a better fit for your audience. And there's bestseller lists for this week or other rankings, and then you can just go through all the top affiliate sellers as well until you find a product to which your reaction will be like my reaction, where, oh, my audience would like this. I know they would benefit from it. When you have that reaction to a product, then you apply right here. And what you should take away from this video is you should be looking at everything as I'm looking for it. If in every place where I was like, yes, 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 if you are like, yes, 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 then that means you have a high chance to be accepted into this affiliate program, make money from it, and your clients would appreciate it and buy it. And if in your mind the question comes up, I don't have an audience, I don't have a niche, what product would it be for me? Well, then you're kind of putting the cart in front of the horse, so to speak, where you really need a niche, you really need traffic somewhere, YouTube, Facebook, but somewhere, Instagram, your website, anywhere, but somewhere. And it can't be just any traffic, it has to be in that niche. And then it'll be very clear what you can sell to that traffic. If you don't have that, then that's the work that you have to do before choosing products, because the product selection will be extremely random and none of them would be a fit because you don't have an audience for whom it will be a fit for.